Meaning of dendrology.
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 Dendrology. Dendrology is the study of trees and other woody plants. It involves the identification, classification, and mapping of trees and their characteristics such as their morphology, anatomy, ecology, and physiology. Dendrologists also study the natural distribution and cultivation of trees for various purposes such as timber production, landscaping, and conservation. Through their research, dendrologists aim to understand the biological and ecological processes of trees, and how they interact with their environments. Overall, dendrology plays a crucial role in the sustainable management and preservation of forests and their biodiversity.